Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to find MAC address of your laptop or PC. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my laptop. Now to find the MAC address of this laptop, first of all go to Start and over here go to this Settings. And you can find bunch of options over here. Now go to Networks and Internet. And over here go to this Wi-Fi, and in this you can find this hardware properties. Click on this, and over here on the bottom you can see physical address. So you can see this is the MAC address of my laptop. In the similar way we can check the MAC address of our laptop. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.